This is a phone that looks like a cookie when closed, and when it's opened, it nearly looks like a traditional smartphone apart from the crease. This is the hands-on video of the Galaxy Z Flip. Speaking of opened up screens, it has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution and HDR10 Plus with a peak brightness of 800 nits. It's pretty bright both indoor and outdoors. On top of the screen there is a ultra thin foldable glass. Yes, it's weird because it's a foldable glass. That's the new technology that Samsung has come up to avoid plastic protection. Other specifications such as processor and RAM are unknown. What's known is it packs a 256 GB UFS 3.0 internal memory with a glass-on-glass aluminum design. It comes with Android 10 on top of Samsung's One UI 2.1. It has a speaker at the bottom tuned by AKG. It also has wireless charging and reverse wireless charging to charge your wireless accessories. It comes in 3 different color options such as mirror black, mirror purple and mirror gold. And now the camera. It packs a 12 megapixel wide angle lens with f1.8 aperture and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens with f2.2 aperture. It also has a variety of zoom options such as 2x, 4x and 8x. It's a sturdy hinge that supports different angles so that it can be used like a traditional laptop. This position allows the phone to work like a dual screen phone so that the apps such as camera and YouTube can take advantage. For example, while watching a video on the top, you can see the suggested video or the comments in the bottom. The Galaxy Z Flip is priced a dirham shy of 5,500. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts about the Galaxy Z Flip in the comment section. And also please do subscribe to the channel.